Hello everyone! My name is Sabrina Melodieuse. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a Knitcrate unboxing. Yes, or should I say, unpackaging. Yay! This is November Knitcrate, and I am super excited. I got that, I think it was at the very end of the month of December, and I never got around to open it yet. You see, it's still sealed. I have not opened it, but I am now ready to show you what I have in my November knit crate. So as you can see, we have no longer boxes. You can still have your boxes, but you would need to pay an extra $2 a month. In addition to that, you would still keep your little leaflet booklet. Instead, we just have a little card inside now. We are paying the exact same price as before, but Knitcrate are more, eco-friendly. So we just get a card now instead of a booklet, and we just download patterns. And instead of the box, we're getting a bag. And I honestly don't mind, because it's the yarn in here that counts, right? Okay, so in this package, I am still getting the anything goes. So I don't know what colorway I am getting in here. But let's discover that together, shall we? Yes, let's open it up. Okay, so I have now opened my package, and let's discover what's inside. So first we have our card, which is, okay, it's chiaro scuro. Chiaro scuro. And this is Spanish and Italian as well. Chiaro means clear, like light, and scuro means dark. So it's light versus dark. I think this is what the theme is, right? Like black and white, like that kind of stuff, okay? And chiaro scuro, November 2020. This should be very, very exciting. Yes. And it's talking about chiaroscuro, celebrating, and shall we put our glasses on now? What does the card say? Celebrating the thoughtful, pensive mood that a late autumn month brings to mind. Deep violets, soft spruce greens, rich charcoal, and natural neutrals. So this is really an exciting thing. And okay, so well, let's take a look at the yarn, shall we? Oh, I'm very excited to see if there's like a little extra. Oh, I think it's a pen. Oh, it is a pen. It's a Knitcrate pen. Oh, thank you so much, Knitcrate. I can now write some lovely notes with your wonderful pen. And I think at the end of the pen is like a, what is that? Is that a rubber? I don't know. Okay, so here is the pen. And it says Knitcrate. No, let's see. Knitcrate, and there's the logo too. Knitcrate, yes. So how do you open? There it is. You open like that. But at the end, there's something there, and I don't know what it's for. You can take it off. Oh, there's like a light. There's a light. It's a flashlight. This is genius. This is seriously genius. How amazing is that? Oh, okay, Knitcrate, you have just made my day. Honestly, just with that pen alone. It's a pen and a flashlight in one. Thank you, Knitcrate. I love it. Love it, love it. Okay, Now we need to take a look at the yarn. Yes, and as I get the yarn out, there are mini skeins in there today. There are 4 mini skeins, and they are from light to dark shades of the same color, which is really interesting. And I'm guessing that each skein is 50 grams each, right? Let's check it out. Yes, 50 grams, and it is 100% Peruvian Highland wool. Worsted weight, and there's 100 yards or 91 meter in each skein. And we have to hand wash only and lay flat to dry. It doesn't feel very soft at all. So I wonder what patterns they will have come up with to use with these yarns. Now I will show you all the colors that all together. And you can see all the colors are like a gradient from light to dark, like they say, chiaro, scuro. So here we are. Here are all the colors. Isn't that amazing? Or shall we put that the other way? Look at these beautiful shades. There's like a cream, then there's this color. I don't even know if there's any colorways on here. Let's see. This is called impasto. This is beautiful. Then this one is called sprezzatura. There we are. Sprezzatura. And the next one is contrapposto. That is beautiful. I think this is my favorite shade. Contrapposto. Yes. And finally, we have Raphael. Raphael. There we are. I am super excited with these yarns, and I still have to discover what kind of projects they have in mind with these. I mean, when we used to have the booklets, we could just take a look at that immediately. But I need to go onto the site now and go to the download section. I've got my code here, and I'll have to take a look. I'm excited to see what they have in mind this time round. So I hope you've enjoyed this beautiful Knitcrate with a fantastic pen. Pen slash torch or whatever it is. Flashlight, flashlight. Yes, there we are. Beautiful yarn, beautiful, beautiful. There it is. Once again, let's show it to you one last time before I go. Look at all those, and they're amazing. And there we are. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. This was November Knitcrate. I hope you've enjoyed it. So thank you very much, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet, everyone.